Welcome to a new factory here in China. This is a factory that produces incredible machinery for farmers. If you look at this wheel, it is practically 2 meters tall. I am 191 and they told me that I am allowed to go on top of this machine. Absolutely incredible. Here are the safety stuff. Let's go on top, let's go check. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Before going to the driver's seat, let's go over here. Let's see what it's like. Wow. This machinery is absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. And here is probably where all the crop goes. Absolutely incredible. Let's go check the driver's seat. Oh my goodness. That's incredible. Wow. And here we go, even 2 seats for your companion, and here is the actual driver's seat. Here, that's where you can maneuver all this incredible machine, and here you can pilot it as if it was a helicopter. Just stunning, super comfortable. Imagine working the land over here, cutting all the crops with all the dents over there. Absolutely stunning, fantastic. What a beautiful piece of machinery. I actually want to see how they produce it, and there is a staircase. Maybe this staircase brings us on top of the machine. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Here we are on the absolute top of the machine. Wow. Wow. So practically you can watch the entire factory. This is the exhibition part of the factory. That's not where they actually produce it. Of course, every factory has their own exhibition hall. And from here you can see probably all the crop moving around, and absolutely stunning machinery. Lights everywhere, mirrors everywhere, and that's their video presentation. Hello, boss. Guys, I'm being joined by the big boss. Here. This machine cost $500,000, so don't break his boss. She actually doesn't speak English, but all good. Good. That's her word. I found a new incredible machine. This one is called the Crop Destroyer. Look at this. It is actually not the official name, but that's how I call it. If you end up over there, you are done. And it's currently being sold in China, of course, in Turkey, in Uzbekistan. I think there are deals with Egypt, and I think there is a country which I'm missing out on. I don't remember. Of course, guys, each machine is completely different. There are machines to plant the seed, there are machines to break the land, and my grandfather would have loved this truck. Again, the wheels here are crazy tall. Look what a powerful engine. Oh my gosh, what a place. This is a fantasy land for farmers. By the way, I just want to add that when you are in such a showroom, you think like there are toys for kids, but the sizes are just incredible. At the moment, guys, they do cooperate with all these countries. Unfortunately, Italy is missing from this cooperation. Behind me, there is a hall with all the company values, but honestly, I never cared about HR. I just want to see how products are made. Probably that's what happens in this section. So we passed from the showroom over there to the factory over here. Let's go. So guys, each car takes 2 hours and a half to being produced. At the moment, the workers there at the lunch break, and actually they have some secrets that they do not want to show us. So they sent everybody to lunch break. And on the right side there is this blue screen with lots of statistics and digital data that also we are not allowed to show you, but super interesting to be here. Guys, China is currently advancing technologically at such a fast speed that now they fear about other countries stealing from them, and therefore we cannot see how they actually do the products, because we are at such a stage on this planet where other countries are now stealing from China. Incredible. Here we can see some images of the practical use of the things that they do sell. Even someone decided to paint the machinery.